In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Sony. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. After that, type in iOS Launcher. Now get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Finally, in order to use it, select while using and allow in the pop-ups. And when you're ready, close Launcher app. Then go into Devices settings. In them, just tap on Apps section, select the default apps and Home app. Lastly, hit iOS Launcher, tap on OK and got it. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can do that by accessing the same settings and tapping on Xperia Home or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!